Hey folks, it's Jay here, owner of Rogers Motor Cars, and we have got a 2019 Lincoln Navigator Reserve 4x4 for you. And sorry that it's windy. We've got Tropical Depression Bertha rolling in here, so I'm trying to get this done before it starts raining. But this is a beautiful truck here, 99,800 miles on it, so not quite 100,000. I picked this up from a friend of mine, local here in Houston, so it is not a auction car or anything like that. It does have a clean Carfax. The tires are brand new. I've got both keys. We've got all the manuals. This one does have the rear entertainment. It's got the panel roof, heated and cooled front seats, massage seats. Very clean, very nice, non-smoker. It's got the power running boards. It's a Reserve, so it's pretty much loaded up with everything. I locked myself out. Here we go. It's got the buckets in there. Very nice. Dual screens. You can screen mirror. You can stream and all that. And it's starting to rain now. Massage seats. Beautiful interior, russet. We do have a little bit of a tear right here. I've got my upholstery guy looking to match this material, so hopefully we can get that fixed up. But it's got all the goodies on it. Apple CarPlay, beautiful wood trim, there's no issues. So give us a call, text, email, we'll get to you as soon as we can. It's very rare that I miss a phone call. I like to be on top of everything. We can do long distance deals. I can ship this to you anywhere in the country. If you need a bank, we have options. If you have a bank, that's great. We'll work with anybody. Cash deals are easy. Give me a call. We can hook you up with this one. Very nice, very clean. This was a 93,000 MSRP vehicle, so this is a great deal. You're getting a lot of car for the money. We also do extended warranties here, so if you're interested in that, I can do unlimited mileage warranties with Freedom. Very reputable company. So just holler at me and we'll get it done for you. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow us on Instagram, Rogers Motor Cars, follow us on Facebook, Rogers Motor Cars. So thanks for watching, everybody.